for every individual, home is a place of comfort and safety. But have you ever stopped to consider how secure is your perimeter? And what about your doors and windows? Could it keep intruders out? Introducing Securico, your go-to solutions partner for the ultimate home security. With over 4 decades of leading the industry and a track record of securing more than 3 lakh satisfied customers, Securico is your trusted security partner. From residences to retail chains, warehouses to corporate offices, and educational institutions, our solutions have proven effective across various establishments. So, what sets us apart? Our security solutions are easy to use, reliable, customizable, and economical. Wondering how we secure your premises? We start by safeguarding your perimeter with our beam detectors, creating an invisible barrier around your home that alerts you whenever someone tries to breach it. Next, we secure your doors and windows. Our door sensors prevent unauthorized entries, while window sensors alert you to any attempts to open or break a window. But that's not all. We've got motion sensors that track every unauthorized movement, adding an extra layer of security to your home. It's not just about break-ins. Our smoke sensors detect smoke before it becomes a fire hazard, providing early warnings to prevent potential disasters. How do alerts reach you? All our security sensors are connected to a centralized control panel. When triggered, the control panel activates and sends audio and visual alerts through a sounder, along with mobile alerts to saved emergency numbers.